Good morning, children. Myself Rashmi Singh. I am your GK teacher of class 4. So, children, today's our topic is tree talk from chapter number 5, and our book name is Together with Journal Awareness. So, children, today we will read only page 11. So, before starting this chapter, we will know about trees. Trees and plants are our green world. We see them many types of plants and trees around us. They are very beneficial for us because they purify our air in which we breathe, and they gives a lot of beneficial things to us. So in this chapter we will learn some specific trees and their varieties. So start this chapter. I want to show your course book. So children, this is your course book Together with Journal Awareness, and this is your today's chapter. Chapter number 6, The Green World. So children, we will learn more about some special trees. Now let's start. Trees are often described as the lungs of the earth. Trees are also living things like us. We can move here and there, but they can't do this. But they grow at one place. It is because they release a lot of oxygen. Trees are living things and they release a lot of oxygen that we need to breathe. This gas is very important for us, for our life. They also take in carbon dioxide gas from the air. Next, leaves. Leaves are the food factories of trees. Leaves make food for trees. Leaves are green due to chlorophyll. Due to this substance, leaves looks in color green color. They make their food in the presence of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. This type of process is called photosynthesis. Some trees shed their leaves in autumn. This is the name of season. In this season, some trees shed their leaves. These are called deciduous trees. The trees which shed their leaves in autumn are called deciduous trees. Evergreen trees have tough leaves. They are not smooth leaves and do not shade them off even in winters. Chili pine. Chili pine we will read. Tree is also known as monkey puzzle tree. Monkey puzzle tree because even a monkey would find it difficult to climb it. So children, this tree's name is child pine. So in this chapter now we will learn some more collection of words with the help of our course book. So now let's start. This is a Bristol cone pines, the name of the tree. Which variety it have? Are world's oldest trees. Many of them are over 400 years old. So this one is the oldest tree in the world. The baobab tree of the Africa is one of the world's strangest looking trees. Its looks is very strange. Its branches look like the roots of the tree. It has a large tank-like trunk. So, next one is the tallest tree in the world found in USA, United States of America. Which tree's name is coast redwood. Next, the largest tree in India is Great Banyan Tree in Kolkata. So now we will learn some important facts with the help of our book. So this is your book. The tallest tree in the world is coast redwood found in USA. And the largest tree in India, Great Banyan Tree in Kolkata. So children, this chapter is stopped here. I hope you will be understand this chapter in very well manner. So thank you so much. We will meet in next video with next chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.